Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shikha Sardana, Obs-Gynae consultant at Chaitanya Hospital, Chandigarh. Today we are here to talk about a simple yet special topic of pregnancy, that is quickening. The first things in life are always important, and so is the mother's first perception of fetal movements that we call as quickening. Many moms-to-be wonder in their initial phase of pregnancy, what will these fetal movements feel like, when will they happen? So here is your guide. When does quickening happen? Women begin to feel the fetal movements anytime between 16 to 24 weeks of their pregnancy. But in most of the cases, this happens at about 18 to 20 weeks. First-time moms start perceiving the fetal movements a bit later than the second-time moms. For the first-timers, it occurs generally at around 20-22 weeks, but in some cases, it can occur as late as 24 weeks. And yes, always remember that each woman and every pregnancy is different. You may not feel movement as early as another woman. That is why there is a broad range of 16 to 24 weeks for this to happen. What does quickening feel like? The early baby movements feel like flutters, bubbles, or twinges in the tummy. Initially, the movements may be so subtle that it may be difficult for you to distinguish whether this feeling is gas or your baby's movements. But as the pregnancy grows, the movements become more pronounced, more discernible. Between 24 to 28 weeks, the movements become strong enough that even your partner may be able to feel them by placing a hand on your growing belly. Eventually, in some cases, you may even see the shape of the elbow or foot that is nudging you. How often does the baby move? After quickening first starts, you might not feel fetal movements every day, as there is a large amount of amniotic fluid and a small lightweight baby moving around. By the time you get to 24 to 26 weeks of pregnancy, the baby grows more and have relatively lesser wiggle room. Now you will start perceiving the fetal movements daily. So enjoy these special moments of your little baby moving inside. With the wishes of a happy, healthy and safe pregnancy, we want to thank you all for joining us.